Let's look at how to create animations in Windplanner. To make an animation, go to Edit, Visualize, and Animation. Now select New Animation. First, give the animation a name. Next, we have the option to let the camera move parabolically between locations, instead of linear, which is the default. Parabolically means that the camera will move from location to location using an arc movement, while linear means that the camera will move in a straight line. This can be very useful when creating an animation in an area where there are a lot of height differences in the terrain, such as hills or mountains. Next, select and add viewpoints from Street View or the 3D world in the order you want them to appear in the animation. This will allow us to view our project from different angles, and to immerse our audience as much as possible. We can further customize per viewpoint how long it will take the camera to fly to this location, and how long it will wait before flying to the next location. You can also set the parabolic height here, meaning how much meters above the ground the camera will fly in its arc movement. We can then customize and specify an easing type according to our preference. When you're done, click Save Animation. We have the option to start an animation for all clients, allowing you to show connected observers the animation on their smartphone, tablet, or computer. Check the tutorial names sharing your project with others for an in-depth explainer about project sharing. Click on the play icon to see the animation for yourself. Windplanner will fly to each viewpoint in the order you specified. In this way, it's possible to sequence together different angles from which to view your project. As you can see, we can inspect the visual impact on its surroundings seamlessly, from a range of perspectives. If you go back to Edit, Visualize, and Animation, you can click on the animation settings to further tweak the animation. Here you can also order an MP4 file from the animation you've made. We hope you now better understand how to create animations in Windplanner.